parents, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. It's near about 3.5 months kids are at home. I know that they are very much eager to join back to the school. But due to this pandemic conditions, it's going to be delay. And during this situation, I know that you have several doubts, several questions regarding academics in your mind. So today I'm here to solve all your doubts. Till last week, you might have received some videos on WhatsApp, on stories and all. So in same way, our management has decided to shoot videos on particular concept and send it on WhatsApp. One thing I would like to tell you parents, that our whole teacher staff is working on this since last month. One thing I would like to tell you is that you have to refer these videos. This will be guideline for you. You have to refer these videos and you have to take study of your child. You have an opportunity to become a teacher, to become a mentor of your child. I know very well parents, there is a great difference, that is teaching in classrooms and teaching through such types of videos. But I'm damn sure that our whole teacher staff has tried their best to give through these videos. So I definitely hope that you will understand and cooperate during this pandemic situation. Our academic session for academic year 2020-21 is going to start from 13th July onwards. In this week you will get a school kit also. So whenever the teacher will start the sessions, you will have textbooks in your hand. So in same way, we are going to send homework also. It will be sent on WhatsApp and also on school app. I request all the parents to download Elite Kid app compulsorily, because whatever updates are there, it will be sent only on Elite Kid app. Parents, total we have 7 textbooks to cover the whole syllabus of a particular class in whole year. When the teacher will start teaching month 1 book, after completion of that book, you will get message regarding that. This year parents, we have added worksheets also in the textbook. I request all the parents that when you will get message regarding solving of worksheet, you have to sit in front of your child and just check whether your child is solving that worksheet properly or not. One thing you will come to know is that you will understand whether your child has cleared that concept or not. For extra practice, we have notebooks also for nursery, junior and senior KG students. In weekdays, you will get homework regarding textbook, and only on Saturdays, teachers will send you a format, what type of writing you have to do in the notebook. So you will get that message on every Saturdays, means in weekdays, whatever the writing is there, it will be in textbook, and only on Saturdays you will get regarding the notebooks. And the most important point is regarding exam. It's actually big question mark in front of us, but still our management is planning regarding that. So you will get message time to time after completion of month 1 textbook. Actually, this academic year is something different and challenging one for all of us. During this pandemic condition, we need your cooperation for our children progress. So for this, we have to maintain the triangle of management, teacher and parent for our children's progress. I hope all your doubts, all your queries has been cleared in this video. But still, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to call on our school number. So stay safe with your family, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.